back here. See?
And we have Abby again.
This is every
Milo.
every night in the bedroom when we take them upstairs.
Yeah, this is how they usually are at nighttime in the bedroom. They get so excited playing upstairs right before bedtime. The four of them just go kind of crazy.
Do you have another pen up there?
And
Oh no, we just let them run around.
we have Emma and Lily playing over there. We've got the... Those two are just going crazy. And Milo and Abby are still playing back and forth there. I'm not quite sure what they're doing here, if they're gonna... We got to stand still, it looks like. I think they pinned them so they won, but I don't... That doesn't really go in dog wrestling. The puppy wrestling. Whoa, I don't know what happened there.